मला असं वाटलं की PhD करणं ही खूप एकटेपणाची जर्नी आहे. इट्स अ व्हेरी लोनली जर्नी. अँड आय हॅड come across some work in IIHS before. So अर्बन फील्डमधला PhD करताना IIHS सारखे इन्स्टिट्यूशन अँकर असणं आणि त्याचा वर्कशॉप करणं हे माझ्यासाठी खूप महत्त्वाचं होतं.
Being in my second year of PhD, I thought it was important that I attend such workshops, meet a lot of participants, interact with them and get their point of views, because I think PhD can't be done alone. You really need to talk to people out there, and it's not only about the struggle, but also there are certain instances now that I've attended. I know that we share common ground, which might not have been the case had I been sitting at my office and doing the same thing.
Basically, I got more people like me to talk to, so these discussions kind of gave clarity to my idea. So probably I'm going with a clearer mind or ideas probably.
The way PhD programs are structured, each of the people who enter a PhD program are studying a particular subject, and it's nice to have a community to discuss ideas with, and I think that's the greatest strength of the IIHS PhD workshop.
You can't enjoy PhD if you have set goals, which is a little counterintuitive. I mean, you have to have the goal of finishing it, but I think you should really just be focused on the process and really have a good time doing it, because, I mean, you're doing it because you like it. So I think you should just, trust the process, like the process.